Hey guys, Dave from Gibby's Electronics Supermarket. We thought we'd stop by one of our previous projects that we started. We are now at drywall stage, you can see. We're standing in where the theater is going to be. So again, imagine that there is a 120-inch screen going on the wall there, our in-wall speakers. I want to point out our JL in-wall subwoofer. In our previous video, you would have seen that big back box hanging here. This is what it looks like after drywall. And then this protective plate will come out so we can put the actual woofer in. We're gonna move over into the gym. And again, it's just a big open space, but you can see we have the pre-mounts in for our speakers. It's super important to put those in ahead of time so that way we can, the drywaller can cut out all the holes and everything can be lined up exactly where it wants to be. Why don't we head over to the rack now? So in here, again, in our previous video, you would have seen just a massive wires hanging down from the ceiling. Now those are coming through the wall. They're coming out nice openings so that way we can have finished plates on there and we can route that all up into the rack and it can just, be a nice clean finish when it's all done. So here we are upstairs in the great room. You can see that there's tile on the floor, which is exciting. That means the process just keeps moving along. You can see our big, massive pre-mounts for the big, massive in-wall speakers that are gonna be going in here surrounding our 85-inch Samsung frame TV. Again, super important to have that all in place before the drywall goes up. Another JL subwoofer gonna go in the wall here, so this place is really gonna rock when you're playing your music or watching your movies up here. Okay. So outside you can see that we already have the ceiling on and we actually have some of our speakers installed so that way no critters or birds got up in there. That'll be the finished look at the end of the project as well. And we'll start doing cameras and stuff shortly as well. So thanks for following me through this one. Stay tuned for the next one.